The BMW X3 helped kickstart the compact luxury crossover segment when it debuted back in 2004 and went on to become the maker's best-selling model. The new 4th-gen 2025 X3 builds on that solid record of success with incremental updates and improvements that refine the breed rather than reinvent it. All-wheel drive is standard for 2025, and the performance-focused M40i is replaced by the M50. Almost everything. Larger overall, the 4th-generation 2025 X3 benefits from a revised exterior design and chassis, tweaked powertrains, and updated infotainment and driver assist features. Notably, all-wheel drive is now standard, eliminating the sDrive trim, and the M50 replaces the previous M40i. With BMW dropping the I from the model names of its gas-powered vehicles, reserving the letter for use exclusively on its EVs, the 2025 models are known as the X3 xDrive and the X3 M50. The 2025 X3's driver assist systems add a bunch of new comfort and safety-enhancing tricks, including automated lane change, adaptive cruise control with traffic light recognition, and parking assistant. There's also a new available parking assistant professional package that lets the car park itself in a pre-designated parking space that's been saved in the vehicle's computers. Think your assigned spot in a parking lot or garage, even while you are outside of the vehicle. The price of the 2025 BMW X3 starts at $50,500 and goes up to $65,500, depending on the trim and options. The turbocharged 2.0-liter four-cylinder in the xDrive is boosted by a 48-volt hybrid system and makes 255 horsepower. The M50 is the real performer, though, as its turbocharged 3.0-liter inline-six gets the same hybridization system and a 393 HP rating. Both employ an 8-speed automatic transmission and all-wheel drive. We were able to sample prototypes of the 2025 X3 and found that it builds on the previous generation model's already good road manners with a stiffer body structure and revised suspension. We're confident that the changes will sharpen responses while leaving its ride quality unsullied. Speaking of which, an adaptive suspension is standard on the M50 and can be ordered as an option on the xDrive. 3 drive modes, personal, efficient, and sport, are provided to tailor responses to the driver's needs. An optional trailer hitch allows the X3 to tow up to 4,850 pounds. While we haven't tested the 2025 X3 yet, BMW is claiming a 6.00-second 60 wash time for the new model.